Welcome to my channel guys. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, let me explain you whether your PC is statically assigned with an IP address or if it is in a DHCP mode. And also I'll explain you how to check whether your PC is in a DHCP or static mode, as well as how to assign an IP address to your computer. Okay, in order to do that, I'll show you the steps to do it. And on your Windows screen, on the left bottom of the screen, you will find type here to search. Here in this, type in a control. That's a control panel you will have to type in. And the moment you type in, you will get the control panel tab. Hit enter here. Okay. You have a new screen which says network and internet. Select this one, and another one is view network status and tasks. Click here and go to the change adapter settings. Okay, so the moment you do this, you have to click 3 to 4 steps to reach here. Okay, so this is where we will make or apply the changes to get into our desired requirement. Here I'll also show you another shortcut key in order to avoid these many steps. So let me close these windows now. Okay, again get back to the same left bottom search screen. Here type in a shortcut key which says ncpa.cpl. When you type this and hit enter, you will directly be getting out of the same screen. So in order to avoid, or in order to keep away from all those multiple steps or windows, you can remember this key in cpa.cpl, where you will directly land onto this particular window. In here you must be seeing a single adapter, because this is the latest laptop what I have with me. So the latest computers or laptops are don't have RJ45 ports anymore. So if you still have a older PC or laptop with you, it will show you a Ethernet adapter here, wherein you can check, you can change, you can statically assign your IP address with the coming steps. Whatever the adapters you have, procedure remains same. So here on this, right click on your Wi-Fi adapter, click on properties. Okay, a new window appears. In this, remember this, it is Internet Protocol version 4. Select this one and hit, or rather click properties. Okay, the moment you do so, you will be coming up with a new screen. Here you have two options, which says the first one is automatically selected, that says obtain an IP address automatically. So when you see your PC or a computer selected with this particular option, which indicates that your PC is DHCP assigned, or it is DHCP, it is in a DHCP mode. Okay, and if you have a chance or a no where you wanted to assign a static IP address to your computer, go select the bottom one, this one, use the following IP address. When you do so, all these tabs will be highlighted. So it is the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, preferred and alternate DNS servers. Okay, if you wanted to assign your PC with a static IP address, so enter the IP address in here. So I'm assigning a random IP address just to show you. So it is 192.168.1.10 I have assigned, and having done that, just hit tab. The moment you hit tab, it will automatically select the default subnet mask for this subnet. Okay, and if you have any other subnet mask, you can manually assign it, and assigning a default gateway 192.168.1.1 or anything whichever you have in your network as a default gateway. And coming to the preferred DNS, if you have any other DNS server with you, you can assign that, and if you don't have that, you can use the Google DNS in here. Okay, so this is how to check whether your PC is in a DHCP mode, or if you wanted to assign a static IP address, you can do this. Okay, when you click OK on this, my system will be getting out of DHCP mode and it will assign the static IP address. So since I am already connected to the network, I don't want to do this, so I'm clicking cancel in here and again cancel here. Okay, hope the steps must have been clear to you. Hope this video is informative to you, and if you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel and click on that subscribe bell as well. Well, hope this video should help you guys, and keep watching, subscribe, and like my video as well, and I'll come up with newer videos which can help you in a better way. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.